हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। सो आज की वीडियो में हम गो थ्रू करेंगे इंडियन जियोग्राफी के टॉप 40 एमसीक्यूज। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट हैज स्मॉलेस्ट लैंड एरिया? एंड द आंसर इज गोवा। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, द टू वॉल्केनिक आइलैंड्स इन द इंडियन टेरिटरी आर? And the answer is Narcodam and Barren. Third question, the Lakshadweep Island are situated in? And the answer is Arabian Sea. Fourth question, which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? And the answer is Myanmar. Fifth question, Jharkhand does not share boundary with? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Sixth question, the climate of India is mainly tropical because? And the answer is of the location of the Himalayas in its north. Seventh question, which union territories of India has the largest size? And the answer is Ladakh. Eighth question, which one of the following states share boundaries with the maximum number of other states of India? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Ninth question, which of the following is east of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? And the answer is Indonesia. 10th question, the states which have common border with China are? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. 11th question, the states of India having common border with Myanmar are? And the answer is Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. 12th question, the states with the largest area under wasteland is? And the answer is Rajasthan. 13th question, the largest population of scheduled tribes is in? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. 14th question, the Himalayan mountain system belongs to which of the following? And the answer is Fold Mountains. 15th question, the oldest mountain in India according to geographical history are? And the answer is Aravalli. 16th question, the highest mountain peak in India is? And the answer is Kanchenjunga. 17th question, Arakan Yoma is the extension of the Himalayas located in? And the answer is Myanmar. 18th question, the transport route connecting the Kashmir from lake crosses the high mountain ranges at the? And the answer is Jojila Pass. 19th question, which one of the following mountains is not the part of Eastern Ghats? And the answer is Ilaimalai Hills. 20th question, Kodai Canal, the famous hill station of South India, is situated on? And the answer is Palani Hills. 21st question, which one of the following is most prone to earthquake? And the answer is Young Folded Mountains. 22nd question, the Vindhyas belongs to which class of mountains? And the answer is Block Mountains. 23rd question, the mountain range which stretches from Gujarat in west to Delhi in the north is the? And the answer is Aravalli. 24th question. The Himalayas are formed of parallel fold ranges of which is the oldest range? And the answer is the Great Himalayan Range. 25th question. The highest peak in South India is? And the answer is Analmudi. 26th question. Aravalli Ranges are an example of? And the answer is residual mountains. 27th question. Which of the following mountain passes lies outside India? And the answer is Khyber. 28th question. Zojila Pass connects? And the answer is Leh and Srinagar. 29th question. Which of the following is the main difference between the Western and Eastern Ghats? And the answer is continuity. 30th question. In which of the following is the Himalayan pass Shipki La located? And the answer is Satluj Valley. 31st question. Which one of the following states in India has the broadest continental shelf? And the answer is Gujarat. 32nd question. The new alluvial deposited in the Gangetic Plain are known as? And the answer is Khadar. 33rd question. A rift valley is formed mainly due to? And the answer is the subsidence of the floor of a river valley. 34th question. The Himalayas are generally divided into 3 ranges which do not include? And the answer is Karakoram. 35th question. What do you understand by the term Doab? And the answer is land between 2 tributaries of a river. 36th question. Shivaliks are? And the answer is foothills of Himalayan ranges. 37th question. Palghat joins which of the following states? And the answer is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 38th question. Which one of the following is the junction point of the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghats? And the answer is Nilgiri Hills. 39th question. The highest peak of the Himalayas in India is in? And the answer is Sikkim. 40th question. Nanda Devi Peak forms a part of? And the answer is Garhwal Himalayas. 41st question. Which one of the following statement is not correct? And the answer is the Western Ghats are relatively higher in their northern region. 42nd question. What is the name of the highest summit of Nilgiri Hills? And the answer is Doda Beta. 43rd question. Which one of the following Himalayan passes was reopened around in the middle of the year 2006 to facilitate trade between India and China? And the answer is Nathula. 44th question. Where are Shevaroy Hills located? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. And the last 45th question. In which state is the Guru Shikhar Peak located? And the answer is Rajasthan. तो ये थे इंडियन ज्योग्राफी के टॉप 45 MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है द हिल रेंज दैट सेपरेट द स्टेट ऑफ मणिपुर फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ नागालैंड इज नोन एज। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।